If you're new to Spanish, this idea might feel a little weird. Why will a table be feminine and a car masculine? Hola, hola. My name is Karla and I'm your Spanish tutor. Today, we will learn about the gender of nouns and the definite articles. First, let's remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Second, every noun in Spanish is either masculine or feminine. And last, every noun is usually together with a definite article, which in Spanish will be either el or la. Here are some quick rules to help you figure out whether your noun is masculine or feminine. Most nouns that end in o are masculine, like el perro, el gato, el libro. Most nouns that end in a are feminine, like la casa, la ventana, la blusa. But Spanish wouldn't be Spanish without a few fun exceptions. El día ends in a, but is a masculine noun, and la mano ends in o even though it is feminine. But don't worry, a lot of the times English and Spanish use or omit the definite article in the same ways. For example, pásame la pasta, pass me the pasta. Como pastel, I eat cake. I talk about some of the cases in which English and Spanish don't match up to help you understand when to include the definite article. You can check this out in my blog. I think it's time to see how these show up in real-life situations. La casa es grande. El coche es rojo. La cuenta, por favor. El vestido es bonito. These are very simple phrases, but they help you a lot in terms of understanding how the noun plus the definite article work. Note this and remember how el and la always come before the noun. Now it's your turn to practice. Complete these sentences with either el or la. Muy bien, you're learning fast. Now you know the basics of Spanish noun in terms of gender and how to use el or la like a pro. Remember, the key is practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you use these words in real situations, the more natural they'll feel. Before we go, please mention in the comments 3 things in your house with the use of el and 3 things with the use of la. Subscribe for more Spanish lessons made simple and nos vemos el próximo video.